Hi guys! Welcome to another vlog. This is Cherry from Edmonton, Canada. And today, of course, we're still in the Philippines. Kahapon dumating kami from Korea kasi yun yung connecting flight namin. And then today, we're out again to the next destination. And the next destination will be Singapore. Super excited kami sa trip na to. So this is really a one year in the making na trip. Itong ticket namin with Singapore Airlines. We bought this like 1 year ago also, and it's my first time also to experience Singapore Airlines, so I'm gonna share with you the experience, how it is like. And same thing, gusto ko rin experience ng mga anak ko. So kahapon kasi July 19 may nangyaring crowd strike. Nalaman ko lang sa kaibigan ko, so parang glitch yata siya na security features ang nangyari. Ang naapektuhan is yung mga terminals, so yung check-in process, so sobrang chaotic. Yesterday, may mga certain airlines yata na naapektuhan. And luckily, mukhang ang Singapore Airlines ay hindi naman affected. Nakapag check-in na ako kagabi, gumawa na rin ako ng SG arrival card, which is everything is just online. So ngayon, ang gagawin namin na lang dito sa airport is kunin yung boarding pass, mag-backdrop, and the usual process, immigration and security. So maaga kaming dumating ng mga anak ko dito kasi nag-breakfast kami. So ito, pakita ko sa inyo kung saan kami umikot. Umikot kami dyan sa taas at kung saan kami kumain. So, nandito kami sa may Terminal 3, dito sa may taas. So, pinapasyala lang namin, chine-check namin isa-isa yung mga stores na available. Meron din ditong Golden Wong Koko, Chinese. Tapos ito, Army Navy. Marami palang kainan dito sa Terminal 3. Oh, ito na, mas gusto ko na dito sa Terminal 3. Tapos may Mary Grace. May coming soon, oh. Kurimi. Hindi ko pa nakainan tong Mary Grace. Meron din dito sa airport. Nasaan na nga ba? Oh, Banapol. Uy, opening soon. Naiiya Terminal 3, oh. Sa banda ron may KFC katabi. Tapos ito, oh, Runway Manila Footbridge. So, pag diniretso mo to, tutumbok dun sa link to Newport World Resorts and Hotels. Actually, gusto ko tong layout nitong Terminal 3. Kasi pagbaba mo ng kunyari, sasakyan mo or cab mo doon, pagpasok mo, talagang maluwag na yan. Nandiyan na lahat. Hanapin mo na lang yung airlines mo. Hanggang doon. Tapos maayos siya. Mas gusto ko ang Terminal 3 kasi less chaotic, no, compared to Terminal 1. So ngayon, maaga kasi kami, nagahan nga namin para mag-relax lang dito. Actually, we're 2 hours early than the opening of the check-in counters. Kaya eto, nag-ikot-ikot kami dito from Level 3 yung level 3 yung sa may check-in counters. Umakyat kami dito sa level 4 kasi nandito lahat ng mga kainan. Yan yung mga meron sa food hall. This is Mary Grace. Tapos dun sa dulo racks, sabi ng anak ko, too early for steak. This one, opening soon, Kopitiam. I believe this is Singaporean Normalation. Aero, Pizza Central. And then dito may Goldilocks, so bilyan ng mga panalubong. A Taiwanese restaurant, 90 Express. Okay, so dapat sa Taiwanese, gusto ng binata ko sa Taiwanese. Kaya lang yung isa ang gusto sa Chowking. So nanalo yung Chowking kasi we're thinking, sige, yung mas mura na lang muna. Kasi for sure naman may pagkain mamaya sa Sing Air. Tsaka ako, parang gusto ko rin ng Chowking. Ito, Tokyo. And ano to? Ramen Nagi. Japanese. So. Tapos Via Maare. Okay, so here we are, Chowking. Open pala siya ng 24 hours. Pero tignan ko lang kung may makakain yung binata ko dito. Ang favorite ko dito yung yung beef siomai, tas kangkong with rice. Tsaka syempre yung halo-halo. Well, matagal na ako di kumain sa Chowking eh. Ano sa akin, yung chow fan na beef siomai. Favorite ko yung beef siomai eh. Tapos sa anak ko yung lumpiang Shanghai. Paborito rin niya. Imperial chicken chop. Ay, masarap yun. Gusto ko yung sausawan. Pa-share. Bakit ako? Wala akong sausawan. Agahan. Wala pa kaming kinain na maayos na pagkain eh. Simula kahapon. Kagabi is parang mga merienda lang yung binili namin sa Jollibee. Ayan, so tapos na kaming mag-breakfast. Malapit na mag-11. Aagahan namin ng... Actually, nag-check-in na ako kagabi. So, kukunin na lang namin yung boarding pass, mag-bag drop. Agahan namin pumasok sa security and immigration. Then, we'll probably check out yung duty-free sa loob. So, maganda dito sa taas. Maraming mga kainan. And good thing may elevator. Meron pa pala dun sa kabilang side doon, pero hindi namin na-check. Ayan, McDonald's. This is Tim Hortons. McDonald's dito. May Krispy Kreme dun sa bandaro. Krispy Kreme. And, may Wendy's. May Wendy's pa, mga fast food. Ayan, sa bababa na kami kasi hindi ko matandaan kung marami bang makikita sa duty free sa loob. will check. So yan, nandito kami sa level 4. So nandiyan ang kainan. Level 3 dun sa check-in. So ito, napakaluwag ng Terminal 3. Oh. Napaka-aliwalas. I like it here. Okay, so ito yung sasakyan namin, SQ917. Ang opening hours ng check-in 11:15 AM to 1:35 PM. So yung flight namin is 2:15 PM pa, pero mag-check-in na kami. Minutes pa lang nag-open yung counter, oh. Mahaba na agad ng pila hanggang dito sa amin. My son has been very helpful. He's the man of the house lately. Ethan, you excited to go to Singapore? You are? Siguro ako yung pinaka-excited. So yung ticket pala namin with Singapore Airlines, binili ko nung 1 year ago pa. Mura lang, $249 USD lang. So it comes with one bag check-in of 25 kilogram and then one cabin baggage of 7 kilogram. Kaya naman, kahit gusto namin magdala ng 2 luggage sana from Canada, no? Pwede kami 2 luggage. But since may Segway kasi kami ng Canada, so we can't have 2 luggage, 1 lang. Parang lahat dito sa Singapore Airlines internet check-in, no? And then that's the business class. So this is the cabin baggage policy. Tapos ito yung oras ng mga flights today. Ayan kami, yung SQ917. So yan, nakapag-chismisan ako kay Mamang Guard. Marami daw delayed dahil nga dun sa crowd strike na nangyari kahapon. Yung mga sabi, yung mga nandun daw. Yun yung mga na-delay kahapon. So they're flying today. So yan pala, SQ917, gate 112. Yun yan. Okay, so na-drop na namin yung mga bag namin. Moving forward na to Immigration and Security. Boarding na kami by 1:15. Okay, so we're past the Immigration and Security. We're good. So, pupunta na kami sa aming boarding gate. Oh yeah, ito rin yung dinaanan ko nung nag-United Airlines ako. But we'll just go slow kasi maaga pa naman. I think my kids just wanna check something out here. I didn't know there's Shake Shack here. Is this new? The last time I was here, wala pa to eh. May nakakita ng chat time. Ayan o, may chat time dito. Siguro may mamaya. Magyaya mag-chat time yung dalaga ko. Yeah, so for the last time that I was here, November, yun yung bago. Yung chat time tsaka Shake Shack, wala yun before. So ito yung Kenny Rogers, oh. Kasing tapaking na doon sa kaliwa. And that's Starbucks. May shuttles best pa doon. So maraming kapehan dito sa Terminal 3. Pero we're saving space for the foods that Singapore Airlines will serve. So yun ang nilook forward namin. And dito na kami sa boarding gate. We will be boarding soon. Kasi ina-atake ako ng jet lag kasi gabi ngayon sa Edmonton, di pa ako nakaka-adjust. Hopefully tonight. Finally, sana makatulog ako ng straight. Kasi kagabi na naman, medyo mas mahaba na yung tulog ko. Hindi na 1 hour, 2.5 hours na yung tulog ko kagabi. Yeah, medyo crashing again. But I'll try to sleep in the flight today. Okay, boarding na kami. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're excited. We're excited to go to Singapore now. Boarding na. Yan yung airline namin. 5 years after. For me, 5 years after. And my kids, it's been 10 years since the last time that I saw Singapore. Hello.
Thank you. What is the seat number? Okay, go across and yours is the other side.
We're on the left.
It's in the right turn.
Okay, thank you. Okay. All the way to the back. Say excuse. This one. Okay. Ayan, so nakasettle na kami. We'll be flying soon. Yan, meron silang pillow na ganito para sa back. Pero parang mas gusto ko siyang hinahal. But I like it that yung ganito niya natitilt ng ganyan. So you can secure your head and sleep more secure. You don't need the neck pillow anymore. Yeah, napagod na ako kadala ng neck pillow namin. Kiniligay ko lahat sa luggage. So for the time being, matutulog muna ako. Itip muna ako bago sila mag-serve ng food. Most likely, siguro mga an hour na. So my kids are checking the entertainment options. They said marami daw magandang options. Yeah, so we're taxiing na for takeoff. Na lang pala silang promo. Kaya yung pillow na lang pang-cover ko, especially sa tiyan. Kasi pag malamig, diba, minsan masakit sa tiyan. How's the weather? Is it cloudy or just clear?
Clear.
Sunny day. Nice weather today. So dito sa dashboard nila, merong mga socket for USB. Ito for inumin. Dito meron silang sockets. Dalawang socket yata sa socket.
Excuse me. Oh, just be careful.
Okay, thank you so much. You know, I'm sensitive with hot. Anything hot. Ayun sila ng hot towel. Ito yung mga entertainment options. Ito yung mga movies. So, I've watched this Korean Air, Mother's Instinct. Serve na sila ng food. I think ako siguro mga lang, 10 minutes. Serve na sila ng lunch. Very convenient for drinks. Looks like the chicken is on a bucket. So this is the appetizer. This is the dessert. Tapioca and beans. And yung water naglagay sa ganito. Then I asked for coffee. There's one and butter. Check out the beef. This is the beef and mashed potato. Kasi yung chili chicken and rice. Tapos pareho natin yung one appetizer and dessert. Yung appetizer nila is tuna salad. Try natin yung beef. Mix of the beef and mashed potato. Sarap, super lambot. Sarap siya. I'm also trying the chicken. Binigyan ako ng binata ko. Sarap din. Pero silang masarap. Either way, pareho silang gusto. Although yung chicken, syempre meron siyang konting anghang. Itong braised beef, obviously it's a beef stew. Medyo tomato based din siya. Parang gusto ko na i-try yung dessert nila agad. I wonder kung madalis to. I have a feeling na it's familiar. Parang ginatang munggo natin na merong tapioca. Very similar. I like it. That's a nice dessert. This one looks like caldereta. Pero I feel like this is more of like western beef stew. But my favorite is one. Itong parang ginatang munggo. Pero for the meat, if I have to choose kung yung chili chicken o yung beef, personally, parang mas gusto ko yung chili chicken with rice. Pero in overall, it's a good set of food. Then look at how cute the cutlery is. Perfect with the coffee. Parang agahan ulit. Kasi nga, in the past months lang merong nangyari, di ba, na nagkaroon ng grabing turbulence sa Singapore Airlines. Nagkaroon ng mga ilang casualties na injured. So, talagang
Cabin crew to your landing stations, please. Thank you.
so talagang nag-change sila agad dun sa process. Excited din to mga anak ko na makarating na dito sa Singapore. See, both of them are dressed up. Di bagad na mayo sa pag-video din ng dalawa. Welcome to Singapore, Ethan and Yana po. Welcome to Singapore, Ethan and Yana po. This is the business class.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Ganda ng uniform nila. Batik.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you. See you again.
Go.
Go.
This one is easy. You can do it, darling. Oh. Ang bilis naman ng mga anak ko. Nagmamadali sila. Oh, we're at Terminal 3. So what's your first impression so far?
Better than Vancouver.
They're going to bash me. Itong dalawa, hindi magkandamayaw sa pag-picture, pag-video. Hindi pa kami nakaka-forward. Wala pa sila masyado nakikita. Hindi na sila magkandamayaw. By the way, welcome to Singapore! We're so happy we're here finally. We've been planning for this for so long. Okay, super excited din yung mga Janakis ko. Alright, let's go! Arrival! Ah, diba? Kitang trabaho ng mama, oh. Taga-pick up siya ng, ng pushcart. You can do that? Natutuwa siya doon sa trabaho ng mama. So, ang Singapore Airlines pala Terminal 3. Ewan ko, for some reason sa ticket ko hindi nakalagay what terminal. Ayan o, so may mga signage naman kung gusto nyo mag-train. Papuntang Terminal 2. Merong bus papuntang Terminal 4. Skytrain to Terminal 1. Pero kami ay papuntang Arrival. Woo! Here we are. Baka matagalan pa kami bago bumaba. You wanna go check that one first before we go down? Okay. Together as one, united people. Ayan na. Ang cute. Tuntua yung mga anak ko. Kita naman ganyan, no? Ito yung transfer lounge siya. Merong display ng Batcha Coffee. And that's duty free. Actually dito, maraming shoppingan dito. All over. Itong mga anak ko, tuwang-tuwa sa mga nakikita nila. Ayaw nung pumunta na immigration. Ito pa lang, aliw na sila. They don't know. They're gonna see more things even better paglagpas nila ng immigration. Ang cute naman ng shop ng Batcha Coffee to dito, oh. Sa may malapit sa duty free. Ang cute ng store nila, oh. Bonggang-bongga. Si mga anak ko. My God. Teka, baka masagasaan ako dito. Yung mga anak ko, aliw na aliw. And so ito, yan o, ang luwag ng immigration pagbaba dyan. Okay, I think it's time to go na to immigration. Yung mga anak ko, mga ayaw pang bumaba eh. Someone press the button. Level 1, arrival immigration. This is what I like here. Ang daming elevators everywhere. Yo, my son is grabbing for pushcart. Grabe, ang galing-galing. Puro machine na lang yung kanilang immigration. And then there's few people who's gonna assist you. So, i-scan mo lang yung passport as the first step. Pag okay yung scanning, the door's gonna open for you. And then the next one, photo. And then may person na mag-assist to check if the photo is okay. And then thumbprint. And then go na. Ganun lang kabilis. Tingin ko siguro bukas makakalabas rin kami dito sa airport. Yung mga anak ko, they're taking their time. Grabe, sobrang they're having fun. Dito pa lang sa airport, they're having fun. Mag-baggage claim na tayo kasi baka yung baggage na lang namin ang naiwan doon. Ayun, mukhang luggage na namin yung nakababa doon. Yung mga kasabay namin pasahero, mga nakauwi na yata. Kami nandito pa. Nagkukulitan ng dalawang to. How much more na lang kayo pagpunta namin sa Sentosa. So dito kami sa Carousel 43 ng SQ917. Ayun, I think yun yung last na luggage namin. I'm seeing a sign outside going to Jewel. Tapos sa labas kami dito, customs, nothing to declare. So mag-Jewel muna kami. Oh, we're next na. Go out. Time to go out. Yeah, so by the way, dun sa declaration pala. So this is my new experience. Kasi may dala akong drone na DJI Mini 3 Pro. Yung maliit lang. Kasi pagpasok ng Pinas, no question asked. And then I know in Canada, pag yung mini, yung maliit lang below 250 grams, you don't have permit. Pero dito sa Singapore pala, even yung maliit na ganon, dapat pala dinideclare sa customs. So nung iniscan yung bag namin, so nakita nga yung drone. So binuksan, tapos tinatanong sa akin kung ano yung serial number. So yun lang, pina-fill up lang ako ng form. So I have to put my information kung ano yung model ng drone, ano yung serial number, tapos nag-print sila ng declaration paper, and sabi sa akin, wherever I go here in Singapore, kapag dala-dala ko yung drone, I should always bring the paper with it. At saka pag gagamitin ko yung drone dito, sabi, I have to read yung mga guidelines. So, ibig sabihin, pwede ko siyang gamitin, but I just have, of course, to abide by the guidelines, no? Maybe privacy and up to which part of the city I can use the drone. Although, I don't have no plan of using it here naman kasi sa Pilipinas ko lang naman talaga planong gamitin niya at saka sa probinsya, which is sa kabundukan. So, I haven't really used it eh. So, ang plano ko, magpa-practice akong gumamit ng drone sa probinsya. Doon sa part na wala kang tatamaan, halimbawa mang bumaksak siya. So anyway, so I just shared the information. So, pag pupunta pala kayo ng Singapore, even the smallest drone, you have to declare. Even yung pagtatanong nila about sa drone kanina, napaka-polite. Hindi yung parang kinakastigo na meron kang dalang drone. Hindi ganun. Siyempre, exchange muna ng SGD. Ayan, nakabili na rin ako ng EasyLink. So, may stored value na siya na $20. But you have to pay $25 kasi $5 yung cost ng card. Pero valid siya for 5 years. You cannot refund any more than $5. But, yeah, the validity of the card itself is 5 years. Okay, so actually yung $25 na pamasahe namin for a week, yeah, more or less mag-top up pa kami niyan. Because we will be using the bus and the MRT a lot of times for sure. Oh, get your card, darling. Alright. Okay, na-message ko na rin yung hotel namin na mamaya pa kami mag-check-in. Ikot-ikot muna kami dito sa airport. So, kumonek lang ako dun sa free internet dito sa Changi Airport. Tapos na-message ko na yung hotel sa Agoda kasi by Agoda ako nag-book. Ito next, yan, yung Jewel. See, play, shop, and dine. Let's go. So yan, there's a sign, Jewel, Link Bridge at level 2. That's what I love here in Singapore. There's signage everywhere. So kaya kahit bago lang kayo dito, don't be afraid kasi it's easy to figure things out. At saka, napakaliit lang ng Singapore and yet, everything is labeled. So all you need to do is just read. So here we go. Yun na yung Link Bridge to Jewel. So apparently, yung pagpunta sa Jewel, hindi pala allowed ang trolley. So ito ang ending. Ako ang outcast. Yung dalawa, sila muna ang mag-ikot-ikot doon. And then, pagkatapos nila, magpapalit kami, sila magbabantay. Ako naman ang titingin sa Jewel, mag-take videos, ganyan. Na-message ko na rin ang Agoda na mamaya pa kami mag-check-in. So kumonek lang ako dun sa free internet dito sa airport. Okay, now about naman the experience of taking the Singapore Airlines for the very first time. There's no really such thing like a really big wow factor. Maybe because nasa economy kasi kami sa bandang dulo pa, 58. Although, one thing to notice there is kahit na nasa dulo ka na, it doesn't feel cramped. Mura lang ang binayaran ko dun kasi binuko nga siya ng 1 year before. So only $249 USD each. Eh kung ngayon ka mag-book nun, ang mahal, nasa doble na. The aircraft is clean. The food is good. Yung mga staff, ang bibilis nila. If I must compare with Korea, it's not that far. So parang halos sa feeling, yung experience sa loob ng aircraft, pareho lang. Or very close, I would say. Pero dun sa Korean Air kasi, ang seating namin nasa medyo gitna, near the wing of the aircraft. Yung luwag ng upuan, halos pareho lang din. Wala naman masyadong difference. Although personal preference, it comes to food kasi nahihilig na rin ako sa Korean food. Masarap yung mga beef ng Korean Air kasi syempre, mas mahaba yung experience ko doon kasi long haul flight from Vancouver to Korea, tapos Korea to Manila. Kaya so far, my top 3 favorites na airlines, Japan Airlines, Singapore Airlines, and Korean Air. Kasi maganda yung experience, maaliwalas lang. Tapos yung process of things, smooth lang. All the staffs are very helpful, very polite. Kasi meron yung ako mga experience ng Western Airlines before na halos hindi ka tulungan. Wala silang pakialam. Yung bag mo ni halos hindi nila hawakan. So, pero siguro, to experience Singapore Airlines in a better seat, like maybe premium economy or especially of course business class, definitely that's a different thing. Kasi syempre kami economy lang din naman, pero that's the thing even if economy, it doesn't feel like para kang kawawa doon sa economy. Kahit nasa medyo bandang dulo ka na, kasi 58 na meron pa nga 60. Pero it doesn't feel like na para kang kawawa kasi nandun ka sa dulo ng eroplano. So maganda pa rin yung experience. So maybe tama nga sabi nila that one of the best airlines talaga is Singapore Airlines. Tingnan nyo, alas 8 na ng gabi yun. Dahil pang tao. Napaka-convenient talagang pumunta dito sa Changi Airport. Kasi lahat ng proseso smooth. From immigration to customs declaration, everyone's polite. Ang push cart available everywhere. Of course, may mga certain areas lang na hindi pwede. Like for example, sa immigration and like dito sa Jewel. Pero pag once na nakuha mo na yung baggage mo, going around some other parts of the airport, like eating, yan allowed naman kasi syempre for convenience. And Singapore is really biggie in convenience. Elevators everywhere. So kahit madami kang dala-dala, napaka-convenient. And then madaming kainan, madaming mga convenience store. Merong access to train, different kinds of transportation. Merong bus, may shuttle, merong taxi bay. So lahat na. Everything's very convenient. Whether you need a smaller taxi, bigger taxi, name it. Tapos of course, lahat ng mga amenities na nandito, lahat ng pasyalan. There are 4 terminals, no? And it's just so easy to move from one terminal to another by SkyTrain. And then meron ding access to the main LRT from Changi Airport. Merong train, the green line that goes to Tanah Merah. And then from Tanah Merah Station, mag-take ka na lang ng another train that goes to the city. Ang dami nilang lines ng train, so napaka-convenient. Kaya kahit saang terminal ka magpunta, you will get almost kind of similar experience. Syempre merong mas mga bagong terminal, mas maganda, mas maraming pasyalan. Pero convenience-wise and experience are pretty similar. Tapos maraming amenities, like halimbawa, meron nga daw sinehan. Well, actually napanood ko, may sinehan, pero hindi ko pa na-try, syempre. May mga sleeping pods, may mga boutique hotel ba? May mga free area din where you can sleep para sa mga nagli-layover. And by the way, yan sabi din ng asawa ko, maganda yung kanilang smoking area dito. Maraming mga halaman, tapos may mist. Di ba? Para yung usok will fall down, hindi yung nasa area. I'm actually tired na. So, nagka-crack na yung boses ko. Ang tagal ng mga anak ko. Looks like we will be going back here sa Jewel some other time. I'd rather want to experience Jewel. Hindi ganito kahagard na. Balik ng mga anak ko, magano na lang kami. Mag-taxi na kami pupunta sa hotel namin, which is sa bandang Chinatown. And then around 10 p.m. lalabas na sa trabaho yung kapatid ko. By the way, my sister have been working here in Singapore. So, she'll be staying with us. Although, sa Monday pa siya makakasama sa amin ng paglakwat siya kasi yun yung in-approve na leaves niya. So, nitong Saturday and Sunday, matutulog lang siya with us. Pero okay na din yun. Para at least magkakasama pa rin kami. Mag-check-in na kami. Punta na kami ng Chinatown area. Mag-check-in na at ako'y crashing na naman. Pagod na ako. Kakain na lang kami sa Hawker kasi alam ko merong Kilini na walking distance lang. Few meters away lang dun sa hotel na tutuluyan namin. Yung kapatid ko, lobas na rin siya sa work. So, baka nga mauna pa siyang mag-check-in sa amin. Okay yan. So, dahil kailangan namin ng mas malaking taxi, hindi kami pwedeng kumila sa labas. Meron dyang Changi recommends. So, ibubuk ka na ng taxi. So, kailangan, kasi marami yung luggage namin galing pang Canada. So, yung taxi na binayaran ko na doon, $60. Tapos, binigyan rin ako ng instruction. Bababa kami sa B1, basement 1, door 3. Binigay din yung plate number nung taxi na sasakyan namin. Sabi niya in 5 minutes daw, it should be there already. Okay, so for this vlog, I'm going to end now here. Thank you so much for watching and I'm gonna see you again in the next one. Please watch out for more Singapore vlogs. Thank you.